Prior to engaging NextWave, we had been underutilizing Hubspot. It is a really powerful tool, and there were many aspects of it that we were not taking fully advantage of. And NextWave really helped us bring it to the next level. Using Hubspot has been really beneficial for our organization. Having all of our KPIs in one platform has made this sales and marketing process seamless. We have been able to automate a lot of our interactions with our customers, nurture them. We have been able to really understand their journey from the point that they get in touch with us, from the point that they convert into our customers. And that is really powerful.
Hubspot is a software that I've always admired. I always thought that they did a really good job with all of the different marketing applications that they have. And I've always wanted to use HubSpot. And so working with the NextWave team gave us this opportunity because they are also big fans of HubSpot and that's what they use. From the beginning, it felt like a really good fit there. Since setting up this lead handling system and it's set up within HubSpot, it's been amazing to see the many different capabilities that HubSpot has, being able to set up different email automations and all the reporting. The reporting is fantastic and so important. And recently we set it up so that we can track a lead stat source all the way from the beginning. And it's not manual. It's not like a human is clicking a button saying, they said that they called us from our website. Like people don't really know sometimes. But HubSpot tracks that. HubSpot knows if you came from a paid ad, if you came from organic Google search or straight from our website. That's really, really important data that we can use, and we can tie that all the way to the move-in. We could tie that all the way to tours. We could say how many tours did we get and where did they come from paid ads? Should we pay more? Those are amazing questions and data that has been unlocked because of HubSpot. So I'm really excited about the platform and what it has enabled us to do. Really, it's been awesome.
One of the main reasons we decided to move forward with NextWave as a partner was they were a HubSpot certified partner, still are, and that's their day-to-day. They know the intricacies of HubSpot. They have the relationships there. And it's not that our team doesn't know that, but it's having a dedicated resource outside of just HubSpot in that day-to-day and their account managers that we can work closely with. And again, really the big thing is to scale what we're trying to accomplish in an efficient manner. It's a great relationship and one that works for us the way it's currently structured. If you're considering utilizing HubSpot as a marketing automation platform and looking to really scale those efforts, I would absolutely recommend HubSpot as a tool and NextWave as a partner to help roll out that initiative and really scale your efforts as a senior living organization.